To see different location, different meditation, rising a nation. You're gonna see this location as you follow me and as we build the Crocus Bag Farm. Here's the next mission, and the mission is real, people. Unfortunately, the mason man rendered the door space right here to the right size. But look at my breakfast in the morning here. I haven't eaten as yet. Yog and tea. So I don't want to no vex cause I have full jar of my cane. This here cane here is a real cane. Iron plant this cane here. So this is really the fruit of Iron labor. Early in the morning, beat all a giant of cane, you know. You have enough peel cane with the teeth. You don't mash up your teeth. Your key is to use the side molars. Rip it away. Countryman. Rasta man, you know. You have to know how to use the tools where the most I give you. Should me a bite down there bump yes or no. It's tough. But man tougher. I see man using teeth and peel or coconut. I can't do that still. One giant of cane for breakfast. That me I deal with Zim. Save the rest for later. So we do it, you know. Rise early and murder the sun, you know. That means we work late, you know. See my family? It's a real joy. Rasta man full joy in the sugarcane, you know what I say? Organic sugar. This plant and me go way back. See, the Europeans are usually cold. They're in the northern hemisphere, so they like to drink tea. I'm drinking tea with sugar because they had a addiction of what they called back then white gold, which is sugar. They actually enslaved the entire nation for this product, the sugar cane, yog and tea. They use it now in rum and all kind of thing. So historically, the sugar cane has been with us for a while. And just as I turn the camera around, you're looking down here, so it's Holland, where cane piece was the #1 business down there, even when I was young. This is where many slaves died, earned, lived. Yog and tea. You're looking at Jamaica's national landmark. Yeah, that is Holland bamboo. I'm standing on my step right here, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm sharing the view with it. I would like to share the moment and the location right now, but I'm telling you, give me a link so things can think up. Come full joy, St. Elizabeth with me. 9542455180. Rastafari Soldier building the Crocus Bag Farmer Factory. Looking at my water reservoir up there on top. for my drip irrigation in the future. So I want to big up the people them looking at the national fruit, national dish, ackee and saltfish. I should say, see the ackee tree them grass there, so more ackee tree right here. Listen to the birds in the background, people.